In class 8 chemistry, we will see the separating of liquid mixture. That is the process we will use here, and the one is called fractional distillation, another is called separating funnel. First starts with the fractional distillation. So fractional distillation is a method that is used to separate a mixture of miscible liquid. That is a liquid that can be mixed together actually completely. The method is based on the difference in the boiling point of that liquid component to be separated. The apparatus used for this method is called distillation flask and fractionating column, a condenser and a heat supply, and also fractionating column, condenser, heat supply also there. And when the mixture of liquid is actually heated in distillation flask, the boils vaporizes rise up to the distillation flask. It boils and vapor rises to the fractionating column. As the vapor go up to the column, the temperature inside the column begins to decrease. So in the mixture, the liquid with a lower boiling point, at first actually temperature inside the with column passes first, because rise of the top of the column and passes through the condenser. Here the vapor down and condenses to form liquid, which collect in the container. The vapors of the liquid with a higher boiling point condense and collect bottom of the fractionating column itself. Therefore both the liquid boils at different temperature and get collected. This method is used for get petroleum product such as the crude oil, such as petrol, kerosene, diesel, gasoline, petroleum gas, tar. These are the example by which in through fractional distillation we can separate them properly. Now move on to the another process, that is called separating funnel. Separating funnel is used to separate a mixture of immiscible liquid. That is method based on the principle that is immiscible liquid, the lighter liquid float above the layer of the heavier liquid. Separating flask is actually glass apparatus that is narrow at the bottom with a stopcock like a tap. The funnel has an opening of the tap to pour the liquid mixture. Then after liquid mixture poured, it left undisturbed for some time. Then immiscible liquid form separate layer with their heavier liquid at the bottom and the lighter liquid on the top. When the stopcock is open, then heavier liquid at the bottom come first and collected to the separate container. Then when the bottom layer flows out completely, the stopcock is closed with the light liquid remains in the separating funnel. So thus two liquid are separated so easily. A mixture of oil and water can be separated through this way. So these are the processes by which actually liquid mixture can be separated easily. Separating funnel is used to separate the oil and water mixture, whereas the fractional distillation is used for the purposes of separating the crude petroleum oil for their different extract like kerosene, petrol, diesel, etc. So today up to that.